If Grammarly is showing an HTTP error or a something went wrong message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to writing without the frustration. These issues are usually caused by a VPN, a proxy, corrupted browser data, an outage on Grammarly's side, or a bad app or extension install. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. First, turn off your VPN or proxy. Network security restrictions are one of the most common reasons Grammarly gets blocked or fails to connect properly. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and then refresh Grammarly. If you're on a proxy server, disable that as well and test the site again. Sometimes the connection is being filtered or redirected and Grammarly can't complete the request. After turning it off, wait a few seconds, reload the page, and check whether the HTTP error disappears. If it does, then the VPN or proxy was the cause. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store temporary files that can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with website connections. To do this, open your browser settings, go to your history or privacy section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure cache and cookies are selected, then clear them. After that, completely close your browser and reopen it. This simple refresh often fixes login problems, loading issues, and stuck error messages in Grammarly. If you're using the Grammarly extension, clearing browser data can also help reset any broken session files that are causing the error. Now, check Grammarly's service status. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all, it's on Grammarly's side. Visit the official Grammarly status page and see if there are any active outages, maintenance notices, or service disruptions. If Grammarly is experiencing a temporary outage, the best fix is to wait until the service is restored. In that case, reinstalling or clearing your browser won't solve it right away because the issue is happening globally. This is an important step because it saves you time and helps you avoid changing settings that are already fine. If the service is up and you still see the error, reinstall the Grammarly extension or app. Outdated files, corrupted installs, or extension conflicts can create connection bottlenecks. Start by removing the Grammarly extension from your browser or uninstalling the Grammarly app from your device if you're using the desktop version. Then restart your computer or browser completely. After that, go back to the official Grammarly website or extension store and install a fresh copy. A clean reinstall can fix hidden bugs and refresh the connection between Grammarly and your browser or system. Once installed, sign in again and test your document or browser input to see if everything is working normally. If the error still appears after all 4 steps, try restarting your device one more time and testing Grammarly in a different browser. That can help you rule out a browser-specific conflict. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable because weak or interrupted connectivity can trigger HTTP errors too. In most cases though, one of these fixes will solve the problem quickly. So to recap, turn off your VPN or proxy, clear your browser cache and cookies, check the Grammarly status page, and reinstall the extension or app if needed. These are the most reliable ways to fix Grammarly HTTP errors and the dreaded "something went wrong" message. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.